LinkedIn ላይ active መሆን አለባችሁ. That means you guys have to be posting, you guys have to be following other people በእናንተ ፊልድ ውስጥ ያሉ you guys have to be liking and commenting on people's posts so that you are training the algorithm. የሊንክድኢኑን አልጎሪትምን ልክ ቲክታክ ላይ ሆናችሁ ኮንሱም የምታረጉትን ቪዲዮ ኦር ላይክ የምታረጉትን ወይም ፖስት የምታረጉትን እያየ suggest እንደሚያረጋችሁ ሁሉ LinkedIn is the same thing. It's just a social media, okay? So you guys need to be active in there and liking, commenting, posting if you can. Or if you don't want to post your own content, repost ማረግም ትችላላችሁ. That's very important because ብዙ ሰዎች LinkedIn ሲባል እንደ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ያዩትን, but that's what it is. It's just a social media. Okay, it's just a social media but professionally ከሰዎች ጋር ኮኔክት የምታደርጉበት. That's the difference. So if you guys are not active on it, ለማን ሰጀስት ማድረግ እንዳለበት ሲስተሙ አያውቅም. So it's not going to be as useful. So you don't have to create a post to post, but things that are interested to you በእናንተ ማግኘት የምትፈልጉበት ስራ ወይም ኢንትረስት የሚያደርጋችሁ ቶፒክ ስር እየሄዳችሁ ሪፖስት የሰዎችን ፖስቶች ሪፖስት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ. connect with people, that's very important. Repost videos, like, comment, try to create organic connections with people. I hope that makes sense. So bottom line, LinkedIn is also just a social media but more on the professional side of things. Yeah, ጥያቄዎቻችሁን comment አድርጉልኝ. Follow me, like and share. See you on the next one.